Last December 22nd, 2024, I went grocery shopping at La Salumeria, Yonge and Davisville, just north of Davisville in Toronto. The owner, Carlos, gifted me this Panettone. So here I am showing you the pamphlet that's included in the packaging. So here I am, I'm gonna unwrap it. The brand is Muzzi. Check out the video that I put together on my grocery shopping at La Salumeria. So inside the Panettone is a Marron glacé. I hope that's the right pronunciation. It is my first time trying or tasting the Marron glacé, and it was a nice, different, unique taste to it, texture, smooth, and it chestnutty, as it describes here in the ticker, the information I got off of Wikipedia. The Panettone texture itself, airy and light and delicious. It's really a nice traditional cake, bread for the Christmas season.